You use it every day, but is microwave radiation actually dangerous? Let's bust the myth. Microwave radiation is a type of non-ionizing radiation, which means it doesn't have enough energy to damage your DNA. Instead, it simply makes water molecules vibrate, heating up your food. So, is it harmful? Not at all. Unless you're inside the microwave, please don't try that. It's completely safe. The metal box and mesh window keep the radiation locked inside. Now, when could it be risky? Only if your microwave is damaged or leaking. In that case, it could cause burns, but not cancer. Just check your door seal regularly and you're good to go. So, microwave radiation? Not scary, just science. Ever heard this myth before? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe.